hugs. That's a hint. So today I'll be making slime in one breath. Why, you ask? Cause science. YouTube, cats. So how this is gonna work is I'm gonna hold my breath and try and make a standard slime recipe during that time. Let's see if I could finish making the slime in one breath. I'm hoping I can. But something you need to know about me, I have small lungs. The fact that I picked this challenge doesn't make sense, but science. Why don't we start by testing out how long I can actually hold my breath for before I even attempt to make slime. All right, so I've got my timer on my phone. Let's start holding my breath. So. 48 seconds and 68. Is that good? I have no gauge as to what is a good breath hold. So I've got 48 seconds to make the slime. I actually remembered there's a hack for holding your breath longer, and I'm like wanting to test it right now since it's critical. So basically what you do is you breathe all the air into your lungs as much as you can, then you let the air out, and that's when you hold your breath. And apparently you can hold your breath for longer, even though it doesn't really make logical sense at all, but I need all the seconds I can get. So let's try this hack and see if it works. That didn't work, guys. No. I was already feeling it at 25 seconds. Didn't work. We're gonna go with the original method. All right, guys, so if I'm gonna do this, I am going to be prepared. So to make the most of my time, I'm gonna have my food dye open. You know what? I'm gonna get the food dye to the top. I'm gonna have it open. I have picked deep pink for this one. I'm gonna have my Elmer's glue bottle. I'm not gonna use the little mouth, this is gonna take too long. I'm just gonna use the big opening. And I've also added 4 times the amount of activator I normally do. So hopefully it will activate super quickly. And I've got my bowl prepared. And then we have our mixing spoon. So I also have the timer on my phone as well, so you know I'm not gonna cheat. And plus I also get to see how long it's gonna take me and how long I've held my breath for. Everything is prepared. We're gonna make normal slime in one breath. Let's see if I can do it. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. But I can't help pulling faces when I'm about to run out of air for some reason. You know what? We have a world record. 59 seconds I held my breath for. I feel like my determination to make this slime gave me an extra 10 seconds. I tried to clean the bowl as much as I could, but I kind of ran out of breath. But you know what? We made a slightly overactivated slime. I think I did pretty well. Actually, you know what? It is very activated. So I'm gonna use this round as a practice run. Now I know how the activator is working. I'm gonna use that knowledge and hopefully we make a better slime in the next round. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so this round we're gonna make a blue fluffy slime, one of my favorite things in the whole world. So we have our blue dye. Again, I'm gonna like shimmy it up to the top and open the lid. Oh, it's already coming out. Okay, that was dangerous. Also, I've got my shaving foam. I'm gonna like shake it up, ready to go. I'm gonna take the lid off. Let's shimmy some glue up and open the lid. And we have our super strong activator, Wengie styles. All right, so let's see if we can beat 59 seconds. That was crazy. I never expected that to happen. 3, 2, 1. like, do I want to die and make slime? Or like, breathe and fail this challenge?
Your face.
Can I go purple? Like, I swear, I feel like I'm a bit lightheaded right now. I'm a bit of a mess at the same time. Okay, this is the fluffy slime I came out with. I mean, I don't know. You call this a slime? I'm not allowed to like mix it anymore, I guess, because it's a challenge and I have to stop right now. But you know what? I would show you my phone, but hand problems. I made 1 minute and 3 seconds. Okay, so this was like 4 seconds more than my previous attempt. It was the shaving foam. Did you see that moment? The shaving foam was like, la 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 la, I'm just gonna take my sweet time. I don't care if you're gonna faint and you need to breathe. I'm just gonna come out slowly. This is kind of fluffy slime. Like, I'll make a poop out of this. It is actually very overactivated. Challenge completed. You know what? I held my breath for 4 seconds longer. We're getting better at this. Let's see if we can beat this with the next slime. All right, guys, so now we're gonna be making a clear glitter slime. You know what? Clear slime is already super hard to make. It's super fiddly. So this is why we've got some practice. We've had 2 rounds of practice. Hopefully I can hold my breath for even longer with this. So I'm gonna open my Elmer's lid. I'm gonna be opening the glitter container. We've got purple glitter today. It's gonna be super pretty. And this evil activator that I have to control myself with. Like, when I get freaked out, I'm like there pouring it in. And also I have some water because that really helps the clear slime get more clear and the right texture. Anyways, I've got everything prepped. Hopefully I can hold my breath for a little longer. I think I need that extra time. 3, 2, 1. You know what? I was about to give up. I looked at the timer and I was like, it's only like 48 seconds. I can do better than this. I've done better than this. I was about to give up again. I made it to 1 minute and 5 seconds. But we ended up with this. This is less of a slime and more of a... Whoop. More of a bouncy ball, I think. I feel like this slime, this clear glitter slime, is unsuccessful. Next time I do this challenge, if I do it again, because gosh, I am so lightheaded at this point that like I feel like I need a nap. Should have gone a bit easier on the activator. And by the way, guys, towards the last 10 seconds of holding your breath, your brain ain't thinking clearly. You're not lucid. You're not like making good decisions when you're making slime. So if we replay what was happening in the final moments, it's going a bit crazy. Wasn't thinking straight. All right, guys, that is the challenge. Let me know how you guys think I did with this challenge in the comments box below. And if you guys have any ideas for challenges you want me to try, let me know. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah. Don't forget to go to Target and have a look at Whimsical by Wengie.